Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about contour generation in ArcGIS. In this tutorial, we will learn how to generate contour lines from a DEM in ArcGIS. Before moving to the practical work, it is important to understand some basic terms. First, what is a contour? A contour is a line on a map that connects points having the same elevation above the sea level. In simple words, it represents equal height on the ground surface. Next, what is a contour interval? Contour interval is the vertical distance between two consecutive contour lines. It defines how much elevation because exists between each line. Now, what is a base contour? Base contour is the starting elevation value from which contour lines are generated. It determines where the contour numbering begins. Finally, what is a z-factor? Z-factor is used when the elevation unit is different from the map unit. It works as a conversion factor in the vertical and horizontal units. Now we are understand these concepts. Let's move to the practical demonstration in GIS.